Hey guys, how's it going? My name is MikeTheTech, and today we're going to be unboxing the Logitech G920 driving force racing wheel for PC and Xbox One. This is very similar, though slightly different than the G29 for PC and PS4, as it does have some more visual and input methods available on that version. This is a $399 or MSRP, excuse me, racing wheel. Though I did get it on sale during the holiday season for $199, so it was a great deal. This comes with the racing wheel itself and the pedals, and there's an optional shifter that you can purchase, and of course, all the third-party accessories like handbrakes and such. So to start the unboxing, we have our instructions. We have our pedals, which we'll take a look at right now. Now these are very hefty. While the plastic does seem just like basic plastic, it is a heavy pedal set, and they do have some good feedback. They're each different. The brake is obviously harder to push down, while the shifter and gas pedals are a lot easier. The accelerator, excuse me. And yeah, they're really nice quality, and they do have the two bolts, so you can actually replace your own pedals with them if you'd like. If we take a look at the bottom, there's actually some carpet pads on the left side that you can push a button and they'll pop out and give you some extra grip on a carpet, or they tuck back in when you're on the ground. We have our serial connector, or similar to a serial connector, that connects it to the wheel itself, which acts as the main hub. So let's actually take a look at the wheel. So we have our cables, which includes a power cable and a power brick for the main unit, which is built into the steering wheel. Standard adapter. We have more paperwork. And excuse my lighting, I did forget to turn on the lights during this episode, so it's not as bright. That's why I added the extra footage with my phone with the lights on, so it looked a lot better. But you guys get the picture. So here's the main guy himself, the big boy, the steering wheel. Let's go ahead and unpack him. And it's a beaut. So it looks really great. It feels very heavy. And the two buttons that you use to actually clamp it onto a desk work really, really well. It turns a full 900 degrees. So some of the older wheels only go like 360 degrees, for example. This goes the full 900 degrees, just like a real steering wheel. But you can go into the settings and adjust a lot of this. You can adjust how much the wheel turns. You can set it to 360 or even 180. And you can even adjust the motor strength on how quickly it goes back to zero, like to the center, because of the type of pulley system that they use in this. But it feels really sturdy, feels great, and the clamps do work really well, and the shifters work really well in case you don't buy the shifter unit like I didn't, because that was not on sale. It was actually a lot more expensive this holiday season. These clamps, once you tighten it to the proper amount, you just push it in and turn slightly and they'll lock into place, and it works really well. On the bottom we have our cable, which has a nice cable management system included. Not only can you wrap cables around, but it also has these exits that allow you to route the cables out the back so that they're not getting squished when it's mounted to your table. And then we also have our input-output here for the power, the pedals, as well as the optional shifter that does not come with this system. And finally, a little bit of peel. The most satisfying part, arguably. And there you have it. This is the Logitech G920 driving force racing wheel and its included pedal and shifter system. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I had a great time. I don't do too many unboxings, so if you like this one, please leave a like or comment below and let me know. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Peace.